Hi and welcome to Vidtechy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to find video ideas for YouTube. So before we go to this topic, we need to understand why people are coming to YouTube. So actually different social media have different purposes, like Facebook has a different purpose and Instagram for a different purpose. But in this video, we are going to see why people come to YouTube. Actually, this is the statistics and the details data are directly given by Google, not from other sources. So it should be correct that we can refer to. So these are the statistics which are given by Google. So 65% of people come to YouTube to help, to fix something, then 57% for entertainment and 56% to learn something new. So basically why people are coming to YouTube to learn something. So people searching for what is YouTube marketing? Something like that. But if you go to Facebook and other social networks, people cannot search for something, they can only see the things that are suggested by that particular search. But Google is totally different. People come to learn something on YouTube, so that is a basic purpose. People come for YouTube, so these are some free tools and some paid tools that we can use to find video ideas easily. So the first one is YouTube autosuggest. It's a 100% free tool, so you can use Google autosuggest to search for keywords, like how to use the Google autosuggest. So go to youtube.com, and the top side we have a browser. You search for anything. In my case, I search YouTube. Then it will autosuggest this, like YouTube Shorts, Kids, or something like that. So for my example, YouTube keyword, so I use the letter K. It will suggest a keyword, so I complete the keyword. Then it will show like the YouTube keyword research tool. So these all are the YouTube autosuggest keywords, meaning YouTube suggests that people are already searching for these keywords. So these all are the YouTube autosuggest keywords. Like if I search YouTube with the letter A, then it will show all the related keywords, and the main thing is the topics that you can use to create the videos for your YouTube channel. Let's say your channel is about fitness, so how to reduce belly fat. See here how to reduce belly fat, how to reduce breast rice, and how to reduce face fat. So these all are the keywords topics that people are searching for already in YouTube, so these are called YouTube autosuggest keywords. So we can use this keyword as a topic for our video. So our channel is mainly for YouTube marketing. So in this example, we are going to use YouTube as our keyword. So the first thing to find the topics is by using the video autosuggest tool. It's 100% free. Then if you go here, let's say if you need the keyword YouTube marketing. So these all are the keywords you cannot able to copy. So you need to manually type everything in separate notepads. Like it means you need to open Notepad and you need to type manually. So there is no other way you can able to copy all the keywords. So we have a tool called Vidtechy. Vidtechy is all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up Vidtechy for free and takes your YouTube marketing to the next level. So once you sign up for Vidtechy, then this is the dashboard you can able to see. So once you sign up, you can able to see keyword autocomplete under the research tools. So click keyword autocomplete. It's 100% free tool. So the provider, we have two options. One is for YouTube and Google. So for this example, I will choose YouTube as my provider. Then the country, you can use your country. Then the language you can see. So for this case, I need to know about YouTube marketing. So these keywords, I need to scrap these. So I will use YouTube marketing. Then click start. So Vidtechy will fetch the keywords directly from the YouTube search engine. So once you scroll down, see here, this is the autosuggest keywords by Google. So once you scroll down, it goes with the ABC. So all the keywords within one click you can able to scrap, copy, and use them for your own purpose. So the star one is the top 10 keywords with mentioned with a star. So these are the keywords that YouTube suggests for you here. So you cannot copy. With the help of Vidtechy tools, you can able to copy. Like just select all copies. So you can copy everything. So if you want to download CSV, just click download. So all the keywords now, you can able to directly download to your PC and use it for your own purpose. So these are the downloaded keywords. So with the help of Vidtechy, you can able to see everything here. With the help of the Vidtechy tool, you can be able to download the YouTube autosuggest keywords easily. In this way, you can able to find the topics for your YouTube channel. So the second method is the Vidtechy research tool. So what is the Vidtechy research tool? So we have a tool called topic research. Then we have a tool called keyword research. So once you click topic research, then I can type something like YouTube. So this is the autosuggest keyword by Google. So for me, I use YouTube marketing. Then I click suggest a topic. So after I click suggest a topic, then Vidtechy tools can suggest all the topics in form of a mind map and data view. So you can see this is under the questions. There are a lot of topics here than the preposition. So everything you can get in the view of mind map. So once you click data, then here it shows all the statistics here. So all the keywords here, if you want to copy, you can copy and use it for your own purpose. So what is this keyword? What is this symbol indicates? Let's say I want to choose this YouTube marketing as my keyword, meaning this keyword topic is found on both YouTube and Google. Okay, so let's say for this example, YouTube marketing full course in Hindi. Then this keyword is only found on YouTube. So in this way, you can be able to see the keywords, whether it's searched by people on both Google and YouTube or not. That's the purpose of this. Then we have an inbuilt few options. Like for example, if I choose the YouTube marketing, I click the keyword analyzer. So this keyword analyzer will drill down the particular keyword and it will show a lot of statistics for this particular keyword YouTube marketing. So once you scroll down, then we can able to see the search volume, then the competition score, then you can able to see which channel is dominating for this particular keyword. Then here there is a detailed statistics for this particular keyword and it will show all the top 20 videos. Then once you scroll down, you can able to see the approximate earning potential for this keyword, which is around $82 to $300. So with this, you can able to see whether the keyword is worth to ranking for your channel or not. Then this is the related keyword for your main keyword. Then once you go to Google Trends, then you can able to see the Google Trends here. So whatever the keyword tools you can use, you need to validate with the Google Trend. So this is the Google Trend if you find some activities in Google Trend, meaning the people are searching this topic in YouTube, so this is the only way you can be able to validate your topic research. So with the help of Vidtechy tools, you can able to find and see the best topic for your YouTube channel. Then the third way is by Google Keyword Planner. This is a 100% free tool. So how to use the Google Keyword Planner? So far that you need to log in with your Google Ads account. So just go to adsgoogle.com and log in with your Gmail ID. So once you log in, this is the dashboard you can see. Then the top side, you need to click for Tools and Settings. So once you click the Tools and Settings, then under the Planning section, you need to click Keyword Planner. So click Keyword Planner. So once you click Keyword Planner, then you need to discover the new keywords and new topics for your videos, right? So you need to click the Discover New Keyword. So for my example, I'm using YouTube marketing. Then click Get Results. So the Google Keyword Planner will show related topics like YouTube promotion service, YouTube marketing strategies, YouTube marketing service, and YouTube strategies. So these all are different topics that I can use for my channel. So use Google Keyword Planner, it's a free tool. From here you can be able to get the topic ideas. So what else you can use? So there are a lot of other tools that you can use to find the keywords and topics for your channel, like answering the public tools, then the keyword tools, TubeBuddy, vidIQ. So these all are the different keyword tools that from that you can be able to find ideas for your YouTube channel. So whichever method you can use to find the topics. So always use Google Trends. Means Google Trends to validate your topic ideas. So these all are the different tools that help you find YouTube topics for your YouTube channel. So try our Vidtechy tools. It's combined all the tools. You can able to find everything inside the Vidtechy tools. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel Vidtechy. Thanks for watching.